stop. Okay, we're gonna be building a black boat, and it's gonna be very simple, so don't worry. Let's get into this. Okay, I'm at my workshop thing now. Okay, first you will need this piece right here, and then you turn it over like that, and then you need this piece right here. And then you need this piece right here, and then you put it right here, like that, just like that. Boom. Actually, no. Hold on. Just like that. And you put that on the other piece on top like that. And then you use this piece, this black 2x4. And then you put it on the bottom like that. And then place, and then you use this piece, and then put it on the end there where you have that spot, and then boom, there's your black boat. Read out. Black boat coming.